Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to provide you with an easy hair tutorial in just 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. So we start with a pre-styler. I'm using the Aveda thickening tonic just to give my hair volume and texture. Take your hair dryer because we are going to be using this to create the style. So I've got a round brush that I'm going to be using it to slick my hair back. And when you're using tools, guys, for example, here I'm using the round brush, you want to use it to your advantage. Look how I'm using the bristles to style, comb the hair in and get that slick back going, creating the shape, creating the texture. And this is the most important part of the style, is creating the shape, because if you don't have the foundations, then once you put your product in, it won't look as good. When you have the shape, guys, use the cold setting to blast your hair, and what that will do is it will lock your hair in place, and this is very important for maintaining that shape. A good tip, guys, is to use your hands to create texture and also ensure that all your hair is dry, just to make sure there are no damp areas in there. You want to make sure you work the product throughout your hair. Next, we will add the product. I'm using the Slick Gorilla Volumizing Powder, which is fantastic for texture. You want to make sure that you evenly distribute the product because you don't want to oversaturate the hair. And what you want to do next is take a wide tooth comb and comb the product through your hair evenly, and you will start to see the style taking shape. So you can see that classic slick back being created. Then just go ahead and finish off with some hairspray just to ensure that your style stays in place. And there you have it, guys, a quick tutorial for any occasion. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.